How to trade on PancakeSwap. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to trade on PancakeSwap. Now trading on PancakeSwap involves using the decentralized exchange, that is DEX, on the Binance Smart Chain to swap BEP20 token. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up a browser and log into your account. So when you're logged in, then it's going to take you to the home page. Next, what you have to do is you need to buy BNB on the exchange like Binance and withdraw it to your BS compatible wallet address. Make sure your wallet has enough BNB to cover transaction fees and trade. Click on the connect in the top right corner. Choose your wallet, either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Then navigate to the exchange, go to the trade tab and select exchange. Choose the token you want to swap from the drop down menu. Select the token from what you want to receive in exchange. Enter the exact amount and the system will automatically show the estimated amount of token you will receive. After that, you can click on the settings icon to adjust the slippage tolerance, and if this is your first time trading a token, click approve and confirm in your wallet. After that, you could go ahead and click the swap and confirm the transaction details, confirm the transaction in your wallet. Then you'll have successfully traded on PancakeSwap. So that is how you can trade on PancakeSwap. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.